I can't believe I had to pay that much, man. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Wiz, and I'm back with another video. And today, you see by the title, you already know what I'm saying. Time to get that first oil change, man. You see it already warning me. Hey, man, get me an oil change. Gotta change me. Let's see. There it is. Change engine oil soon. So that's what we're about to do in this video, man. But first, you know, I'm starving like Marvin, man. So I'm about to go grab me something to eat, and I'll get back with y'all in a second. Man, I'm back. So for those who don't know, man, I gotta go to one of my favorite, if it was a fast food place that I had to go to, it'd be here. It'll be good old Chipotle. My favorite fast food, probably, honestly. So yep, gotta go up in here, grab me something right fast, and camera probably close in my face. But yo, so I'm gonna go up in here, grab me something to eat right fast, man. And after that, we're gonna head to the dealership. But comment in the section what you think this oil change price is gonna be. What you think the oil change price is going to be, y'all? Let me see if y'all get it right. And don't be cheating either. Go ahead and comment it now. See how many people get this right. I doubt anybody will get it right, but you know, it's worth a try. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get back with y'all in a second. Yep, I got my Chipotle, and we here, man. Chevy dealership. I go to Hardy. I actually go to two dealerships. I go to Hardy if, you know, they don't have any openings, or if they real busy, if I have a problem or something, which I didn't. But I go to them for oil change, and it's the other place called Steve Raymond for oil change. So I like the fact that I got choices like that. And I'm pulling in now. Might do a review or something on something, man. Who knows? See no through traffic. So coming up in here, I see they got some Corvettes and stuff, so I'm definitely gonna walk around there and pulling in. Y'all, I got 5,000 miles on this bad boy. Please stay in your car. 10-4. You ain't gotta tell me twice. All right, guys. I wonder how windy it is, guys, but you know, so I'm out here going for a walk. This is probably one of the most popular Jeeps on the market right now. Crazy. 57,000. This one right here ain't a bad price, but I know a lot of people don't like the tops, soft tops. Not a bad price though. So, you know, really I came to go look at these sports cars. You know, I'm a sports car guy. So, we're gonna go check it out. And look at it, it looks like it's about to pour down, man. Hopefully it's not windy for y'all. I got my little mic on, so. Ford Mustang, well, I'll tell you the truth. 2019. Oh shoot, and it's a 6-speed. It's a 6-speed. Somebody customized that. Look at that red Brembo brakes. got the Corvette. 62,000. Let me see. This is 2017. It only got 13,000 miles on it. Got the red Brembo brakes. Okay. Getting tongue tied. Brembo brakes. This one right here hard. This color scheme is hard, bro. Look at that. Ooh, look at that interior though. Dang. Look at that interior. They don't even have a price on there. Hold on, let's see. They got 18,000 miles on it. 7-speed. Ooh, manual. I ain't drove a manual in about 2 years. Feel like. Yeah, that really tough. I like that color right here. I like that color right here. Mustangs. Again. It's a 5.0 this time. This one 37. Overpriced, but you know. We got another Mustang. We got RT right here. 52,000. Somebody customized this too, I can tell by the interior. It's a Scat Pack 2020. It got 15,000 miles on it. Oh, it's a stick shift. Wow, you don't hardly see that. Yeah, see, I can tell somebody did that seats. Well, somebody custom ordered it. Y'all look. Look at my old Camaro, man. It's a SS. Oh, wow. And it's a stick shift. Just like my old one. This is like a 1LE though. Got a hood. This is a 1LE. Got the Recaro seats, yeah. This ain't the same one. But yeah, man, that's what's up. You don't hardly see. They got a good bit of stick shifts here, man. Yeah, that's it. Even though I had a different wing, but it's SS. I remember back in the day I used to say, I want the quad exhaust. I ain't getting it unless I got the quad exhaust. I remember that. They don't got the price on this one though. Scat Pack. Another Mustang. We got another Camaro right here. Another Camaro. It's an automatic. It's got the black and white seats. Okay. Okay, this is 2017 with the silver stripes down the middle. Whole bunch of Mustangs though. Why all these Mustangs at the Chevy dealership? That's it. Oh, that's nice. Look at the seats. Ooh, that's nice. See, guys, he did all that customizing, or whoever that was, to come to Chevy. He's a smart guy, you know. But we got another. It's a regular, but you know, Challenger. Scat Pack. Trading in those Scat Packs for the Chevy, y'all. 2020 RT, 52,000. Man, I like this maroon. I like the maroon color, man. It's a nice color. Oh, this is a TA. This ain't no regular. It's a TA. We got the matte black all the way on, all the way over. Whole car. Stick shift. That's crazy. You do not hardly see stick shift cars like that. Especially like with the younger generation, bro, they want to get in the car and just drive. I actually went backwards. I actually started off stick shift. Then I came to automatic. For those who don't know, you know, ZL1, my first automatic car. I've been driving stick shift, what 15 years? 15 years straight too. Man, you calling me? 15 years straight. Spam. But let's go look. Let's see what kind of trucks they got, man. Y'all know what kind of truck I want. See if they got it on the lot. Boo, boo, boo. Sorry, no, we got Z71. Texas edition. Let's see. See, that's the thing right here, man. It's like, dang. After you see all these trucks, after you see the TRX and what's the other thing? Rams. You see the big screen, man, and you see like the Ram Rebels and stuff like that. You see that big old screen. My mask actually was keeping me warm, but you see the big screen in those cars, man, and then you go to Chevy. It's like, dang, bro, why we got to still be basic, man? Sheesh. Why we got to still be basic? This is Z71 52,000. I can't see in it though. Okay, there it is. How plain we is, man. Come on, Chevy, man, get the big screen. Oh, shoot. Yeah. Rest on this. Let me see if they got the big screen in here. Let's see. It's a Ram right here, 2018. I don't think they had the big screen then, though. But, nope. Let's see. Look at some more. Uh-oh, wait a minute. Silverado. Look at this white one right here. 6.2. Cool little gray color right there. Cool look. Oh, this one already got the rolling lock on there. I always want to know how sturdy these wheels. They're sturdy though. They're sturdy. That's for sure. Let's see here. Let me see. Let me see. We got a black one. No high countries though, guys. No high countries. That's the one I want. A high country. This is a Silverado 1500. Cool, cool, cool. This truck right here, 52,001. That must be like 52. The GMC. Now I saw a GMC, guys. I don't know which model it was, but it was a Sierra. But you can tell this is an older model because it don't even have the extra step thing. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, I ain't got nothing. So guys, they don't really have nothing too much. I'm still looking though, but that's a big grill right there. Ooh. 2019. See how this here. See? All look the same on the inside. All look the same. But yeah, man. 2018. But yeah, guys. Thought I was gonna see one, but I guess everybody got the 2500s at their house. They ain't trading that in. Cause it's the used car lot. See? Used. Wow, this is 2021 for 49. Dang. Okay. Oh, the price is going down. 38. It's the Silverado down here. Yeah. 48. Can't look at this one. Yeah, it's the regular. 42 ain't bad though. Especially like for a starter truck. 42 ain't bad. I mean, it's the regular basic, but still. Small bed. See, the 2500 got the long bed, and I gotta have a long bed. Cause I wanna be able to like put my four-wheeler on it and stuff like that. So I wanna be able to do that. Put at least a third 80-inch TV back there. At least I know I can pull it. You know what I mean? At least I know I can put it back there. Oh, wait a minute. Look. Ooh. This is a 2500 HD version. Ain't the high country version, but this one right here, let's see. I actually got to look through the camera because it's tint so dark. Damn. Yeah. See the bed a little bit longer on this one. Oh, I'm gonna call you back. Yeah. So the 2500 is definitely the move because, like I said, I want that bed to be a little bit longer. Somebody already got the beefy tires on here. Hostile. The grill only look aggressive though for sure on this one. They got another 2500 HD. Yeah, Chevy, come on, man. Y'all definitely gotta give us a better interior, man. This right here's got some custom interior, brown. Okay, a little different. They got the right colors. Definitely going with white for sure. This is Sierra. But anyway, yeah. I'm just walking around, man. Really just killing time, waiting on my car. Just want to show y'all a little bit of cars, man. I see this blue Camaro. Let's go look at it right quick. Let's see. 2019. These right here, definitely starting to get popular, man. I'm seeing a lot of people in these Broncos. 40,000, 42,000. They're all 21s. Okay. So I guess this is the base model ones. They got cloth seats in there, so I don't know much about them. This one got 3,000 miles on it. Okay. Let's go look at this drop top Camaro, man. I see right here. And that'll be it, and I'm dark. But yeah. SS. Anybody looking for a drop top Camaro? It's a nice color though. 2017. Got the leather seats. Automatic. Got the quad dual exhaust. So for me, man, I'm not a convertible guy because I think this black take away the look. This black take away the look for me. But when it's down, oh yeah. If the ZL1 had a drop top, hard top Camaro, it would have been mine. I would have did that, no question. But that soft top, man, I'm not a fan for real. I'm not a fan. I like that blue though. This is what color my Saturn was back in the day. So another Mustang. They love the Mustangs, you know. But guess where they at though? Chevy dealership. So what that let y'all know? That let y'all know they want to be Chevy gang now. So smart move by the Chevy, by the Mustang guys, you know. I get it. But I'll get back with you, man, when they call me and let me know my car is ready. And yeah, I'll get back with y'all in a second. We're back, baby. Let me see. Let me look at this thing now. Make sure y'all reset my junk. Let's see. There it is. There it is. Oil life 100%. We back. Fuel range. I need to get some more fuel for gas. Alright. Yeah, man, so for those who have answered, who have wanted to know, I got the price. The price for my oil change is, man, that's funny. Dun, 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 dun. Matter of fact, I got you right here. I didn't want to show no personal information. Hold on. The price of my oil change is all right. Oh, I got an oil change and tire rotation, my bad. Got my filter change. Okay. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Here it is. Boy, that's a lot of money, boy. Oh my goodness. I can't believe I had to pay that much, man. Dog. There it is. You can see it. Is it blurry? Anyway, you get the point. Yeah. Nothing. I had to pay nothing, man. They said your first oil change, you don't have to pay anything. I remember when I first got my first Camaro, my 2010. I actually didn't have to pay for oil changes for a little minute. They had this thing going on. I think it was like 6 to 8 oil changes for like $200 something, I think. And I did that, but other than that, I had to pay. I think the regular oil change for these cars is about $100. I think it's about like, $89 if I'm not mistaken. And of course, once they add taxes and junk, it'd be like $100, really like $100 or something. I think I've been seeing that price, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, it was free, guys, man. So It's not just me, it's a normal thing. Your your oil change is free for the first time. But I know when I picked up my second Camaro from out of Texas, they said I can get it free all the time there. But of course I'm not driving all the way to Texas just to get an oil change, so that was dead. But let me make sure. Okay, so everything good on here, as you can see. And yeah, everything is green, so that's good news. Don't have any problems, which you shouldn't. But yeah, so that's my video for today, man. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Something a little long, man, because you know I don't be posting all the time, so like I said, I don't want to just bore y'all with these videos that I can't get nothing done or whatever. So make sure you like, share, subscribe. First off, let's get that out the way. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because I might start picking up, man. You never know. You never know. So you have to be ready, so you don't have to get ready. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead and hit all that, like, subscribe, and stuff. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, until next time, man. This your boy Wiz, and I'm checking out. You dig?